Okay, students, last week we have learned about number system. Number system, the general aspects like writing a large number in figure, writing the number in Hindu Arabic system, then international system, and writing its name or writing in words, then arranging the numbers, then you know how to form the greatest number, smallest number. All these things we have learned. This week we learn. Today we learn especially that exercise 1b, which is the operations of the numbers. But children, operations of the smaller number you have done so far. Things are very easy, same procedure only, but you have to solve in case of a larger number where the periods will be crore or more than crore. I hope you understood. You have done till 10,000 maybe in class 5 standard, and now class 6 and all you have to do crore and more than that. That is what you have to be very meticulous. You have to calculate. Calculation will be little lengthy, and you need to keep patience so that your calculation doesn't go wrong. That is what you have to do. Okay, let us take question number 1b, page number 892. See, question number 1 is said to you find out the sum. Sum means the result of addition is called sum, isn't it? So you have to find out the sum. You have got 4 larger number, and all the larger number is these all are 4 plus 4 8 9 digit number. That means 84 crore 50,000 and 50 lakh 35,621 and also you can understand the volume of the numbers. It is so big. So what you need to do, procedure is same. You write down the first addend, but this is a column addition only. Try to go for the column addition only, writing all the addends one below the other, but putting the digit from the ones, from the place value 1 only, move to the left hand side. From the right hand, after writing the first addend, second addend, you begin with the ones place value, write it below the ones place value of the previous addend. That is what you have to do. Then you go in this order, because see, this number is of 8 digit number. So here it is 84 crore, here it is 8 crore like. Therefore you have to go on this way. If you arrange this way and leave blank in the ones place, then your answer will be wrong. That is why you have to do from the ones place till the highest place value should go. So ones till highest place value, one below the other, exactly one below the other. Below one only write down first ones, that is ones of the next addend. Then below 2 0, like this you fill. Second addend you have fill. Go for the third addend. From the ones to the highest place value you go 6 5 4 3, like this you do. Then go for the third addend. Understood? Now go for the fourth addend. You find addends are one place value lesser. You can see here it is 9, here it is 8, here it is 7, here it is 6, here it is 5 place value. After that, addition procedure is same. What I said to you, procedure is same. You are supposed to add from the ones to the highest place value, isn't it? So that is what you do. You know how to do the addition with carryover. Then you do it. See, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, 2 carry over, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9, no carry over, 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 9 is 26, again 2 carry over, then 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 9 is 22, again 2 carry over, like this go 3 to 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 2 17 plus 1 18, 1 carry over. See 1 2 3, 3 to 5, 5 3 8, now no carry over. So 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 4 18, 1 carry over, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1 9. So it became 93 crore 88 lakh 820 82,694. The number is such a big number, children. Addition is correct. Could you understand? So what you need to do, you need to write down the first addend and go on with the means the smallest place value or not to the right to left you arrange the digits. Sometimes second addend digit will be more. Suppose here it is 9 digit, no, it can be 10 digit also. It will 9 digit will come here, 10 digit will go there. Okay, that way you arrange, then you add from the ones place. That you all know till I have given you remainder. You children are smart enough, you can do it. I will take one example of subtraction also. Question number 2 I have taken. Question number 2 is said to you subtract this number from this. That means subtraction, the form where it is subtracted, that is called minuend, I have said to you. And then which is subtracted is called subtrahend. So subtrahend here is this one. This one is subtrahend, this one is minuend. That means from this number only this number has to be subtracted. Arranging the digit will be as like addition. See what you have written down. Minuend has to be written first. First from the number something to be subtracted, that has to be written first, that you have written. From left to right again, once again you have written down digit wise. 3 below 1, below 2 it will be 9, below 2 it will be 9. Then you arrange this way from there. Now with the subtraction, borrowing, how to borrow from the next column. See here it is 1, so it will be 11 borrowed from here. So 11 minus 3 is 8, here it becomes 1. That means again borrow from here. 11 it will be 2, here it will become 7 and 7 0. No borrow. Now here it is lesser than this one, so it will be borrowed from 6, so it will become 15. So 7 will be there, it becomes 5 minus 2 is 3, no borrow. Now 11, it has to be made 11, so borrow from here. So 11 minus 6 is 5, here become 4 also will not go, so you will have to borrow from here. So it will become 14, 7, here it was 0 cannot go, you have to borrow from here. So it will become 10 minus 8 is 2, and here you have borrowed 1, that means it will be 1, so 1 will remain. So this will be the answer. You know how to borrow and do the subtraction nicely. The number came like 12,75,37,028. This is a large number. This is called the difference. This is called minuend, this is called subtrahend, and this is called difference. This is called first addend, this is called second addend, this is called third addend, this is called fourth addend, this is called fifth addend, this is called sum. You know the nomenclature of each thing which is added or which is subtracted. Now simplification. Simplification is very, very interesting, dear. For simplification, you need to follow this particular this is an abbreviated form. This is one principle of simplification. You can say principle say BODMAS, BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for op, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. You have to follow this order. Don't violate this order to simplify. If a sum is not having bracket, not having op, not having division, not having multiplication, addition and subtraction is a no. First you add, then you subtract. It is having till division, so first you divide, then you multiply. So you have to follow this BODMAS. It is very important principle to simplify. Other than that, no, simplification may be wrong when all the operations will come in action. Could you understand? You have plus, minus, multiplication sign and division sign, all will be there. That time you have to follow BODMAS only. But in this case, only plus and minus sign, no problem. Plus and minus sign simplification, what will you do? All the plus addend you will add separately, then all the minus number you will add separately, then plus minus, if it is there, then you have to do the subtraction. Could you understand? So that is what you have to do. Arrange this way. First you write down this, then arrange all the plus and this is having plus sign, this is also having plus sign, so you have written this, these two are having plus sign. So what you need to do in the working column, no, add these two, this one and this one separately, which became this. You have written down this. Now minus number, you see, this is a negative number and that one is also negative number. These two add separately. You have added here in the working column and the result becomes this. So what happened? You write down this result with the minus sign. So minus number after adding you will write as with the minus sign, plus number after adding you will write with the plus sign. That you have done it. Don't do this when minus and plus two different sign is there, that time subtraction has to be there. When all minus are there, then also it will be addition, then a result will come in minus. When all the plus sign is there, then also addition, the result will come in plus. So when plus minus is there, that time subtraction. Then whichever the greater number carries what sign, that sign you have to put. So among these two, again working column into the subtraction, then you will find this is the number. You can put Indian system comma. This will become 4,57,21,940. Understood now? To doing the subtraction and addition, I don't have to explain you. You can do, these are all column subtraction or addition. You can do mental means line subtraction also. 0 subtract 0, from 0 this 0 subtracted 0. From here 9 minus 5 is 4. Now here it is smaller digits, so it will become, we'll have to borrow from here, so it will become 2 minus it will become from 11 you have to subtract what, 2, so you will get 9. So here it becomes 7, so 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Like this you can do the column line subtraction also. That in practice it will be good. Column additions, line addition also can be done. Suppose if you add this to 0, first ones place it is 0 plus 0 is 0, then 9 plus 0 is 9, then 0 plus third digit is 1, then 8 plus 0 is 8. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, then 7 plus 2 is 9. Like this, if carryover is there, then you have to carry over to that. So you can practice that also. You are in class 6, mind it, and you all are smart children. You have to always, you don't have to follow the working column to find out the addition or subtraction. You can do the linear addition or subtraction also. I hope you have understood this simplification. We will go on to multiplication and division. Multiplication and division for a larger number, you will need to keep on doing it without losing the patience. See, procedure is same, but because it's a larger number, the multiplicand may be 4 digit or 5 digit number. So if you don't multiply all the place values number properly and place it properly and add it, then result will be wrong. So what you do, you write down the multiplicand. This is multiplicand and this is multiplier. You know that. And then this is called product. The result of multiplication is called product. The number which is multiplied is called multiplicand, and by which it is multiplied, that is called multiplier. So which is multiplying is called multiplier, which is driving is called driver, who is teaching is called teacher. So what is multiplying is called multiplier. So multiply. So first, once you multiply this number with 9, you will find this is the number. Now you are multiplying with 7, not 7 but 70 you are multiplying with. This number is multiplying with 70. So leaving this place, this ones place will be 0, because you are multiplying right now with 7 you are multiplying with 0, you are leaving one place. So it is as good as you are multiplying with 70. You will find this number. Now you are multiplying with 300, not 3. So these two places will be 0, then multiply with 3. Would you understand me? That is why I left it blank only, so that you can understand in better way. So what you need to do is you need to just keep these all places 0. Understood? Now you have multiplied this. Now multiplying this one with 1000. So 3 places will be kept 0. And you have to multiply with this. So it will become like that. Now you multiply this number with 50,000. Therefore, 4 places has to be kept 0. I hope you have understood it. Now while multiplying, put the digit below, exactly below. See, 7 below all, 7 below all, 4 below all this thing. If you do it then mistake will be less. So you can multiply this one with 9 with 3 very nicely. 9 3s are 27. Then 2 carry over, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47. 4 carry over, 4 is 0. Multiply 9 is 0 plus 4 only. Now 9 multiplied 6 is 54. 5 carry over, 9 multiplied 8 is 72 plus 5 77. Now 7 carry over, 9 multiplied 9 is 81 plus 7 88. 8 carry over, 9 multiplied 7 is 63 plus 9 is 71. Say 72. 7 multiply 9 is 72 plus 9 is 71. 62 plus 9 is 71. So this way you have multiplied all, then at last you have done the addition. Addition also has to be done in a proper way from right to left. You will find the answer as this. Hope you have understood the procedure. First you will write down properly in the column multiplicand, then below multiplier. Each digit of the multiplier you will multiply with the multiplicand. But once it is a 10 digit, first place has to be 0. Once it is a 100 digit, first 2 places has to be 0. Once it is a 1000 digits, first 3 places has to be 0. Then we have to begin. Once it is 10,000 digit, first 4 places has to be 0. Then we have to multiply and at last add. I hope you have understood it. Moving on to division. Division for long numbers, larger numbers, where especially the divisor is having more than 3 numbers is a tough ask for you. Unless you practice properly, it will be a very boring work, of course. If you lose your patience, your division result will come wrong. The result of division is called quotient. The division, all the part is, I will tell you first, this is called divisor. By which you are dividing is called divisor. The number which you are dividing is called dividend. The answer you are getting is called quotient. And at last, whatever you are getting, that is called remainder. What is remaining is called remainder. So what will you do? First you will write down in the division format. Divisor you write down to the right hand side and write down the dividend properly. Make this format, then go for it. How will you go for it for long division? I will tell you. See here it is 78,900. Where is the number is too large. That means that 38 crore 62 lakh 86,996 is the number. So what you need to do, you don't have to worry for the total number. You need to take the first digit of the divisor. You need to take the first digit of the dividend. Is it going? No. 3 is lesser than 7. So what you need to do, you need to take 2 digits of the divisor. Could you understand? Now 2 digits of the divisor multiply with 7. How many times 7 will be so that it will go near to 38? 7 5s are 35. 5 will not go. 7 5s are 35. May go, but other digit number if you multiply, then it will exceed 38. Could you understand? So 4 digit will go. You can go for trying that. You can multiply this one with 5 and see it will definitely exceed 38,000. So what you need to do, the previous multiple you have to multiply it. So here you are multiplying with 4, you will get 33 lakh 15,852. Then you subtract. If you subtract, then it will become 4, then it will become 3, then if it is it will be 4, then it will become 0, then it will become 7. You have got this much. Now on subtraction you got this much, 70434. What you need to again go with 7 is matching, but second digit is 8, 78. It is not 78, it is 70, so lesser. So how much you will multiply to 7 so that it will go near to 70? You can definitely 7 sevens are 49, 7 8s are 72, 7 8s are 60. How much? 7 8s are, it will be 56. 7 8s are 56. It will 7 9s are how much? 63. But 63, if 7 9s are multiply, you are supposed to go with 63. 7 10s will be 70. Definitely it will not go with, because 10 means it will be 7 8 9 6 3, then 0. Definitely it will be more. So 9 you try it, you have multiplied with 9. The result came 71,000. 71 means 7,10,000 it came. So 7,10,000 will not go, because here it is 70 lakh. So you have to go with the previous multiplier. Here the 9 is greater, so you have to go with 8. If you go with 8, then the product is coming 63 lakh 1,700. So 63 lakh will go, which is lesser than 70 lakh. So therefore it will go with 8. It is there. Then you subtract, you will find this, that is 7 lakh 20. 7 lakh 2,645. Now 72 is there. 7 9s are 72. 7 9s are 72, it will go. 7 9s are 63. 63 will go because you have multiplied, you have got the result as this. So 9 times it will go, so that it will become this. Understood? Now you do the subtraction, you will find 15792. So 15792, how many? 2 times 7 2s are 14. So 2 times if you are multiplying, you are getting exactly 157,926. 2 you are making down. After that is after you are doing it, no, you have to put the next digit down. First here this 9 came down. Now here this 9 came down again on the second line, and here last digit came down on the second line. All the digits of the dividend has to be divided. Then the result will become 48. Whatever the result quotient come, that is the result, 4892. So here you can write down quotient as 4892 and remainder as 0. Remainder 0 we don't write down. If remainder something is there, definitely you write down in this format. If remainder is not there, you write down in this format. Do the division, long division more and practice yourself so that you don't have any problem.